Hey there guys, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. So I wanted to show you, I think on the last video where I made my spiral tree, I said that my tree needed a or that I wanted to make another one. So I thought I would make another one, but it's not exactly like the spiral tree. This is more of a pencil tree. So I started making it, then I thought, you know what, let me show them how I'm making this tree. So I'm looking at the tree carefully in the light, and I can see a little bit on the base, but that's okay. So I think I only had 7 of the tree, branches. So I thought, well, you know what, I think it might be enough to make a pencil tree. So all I did, guys, was I didn't have any green 110-pound cardstock, so I did have black. So all I did was I took the cardstock, and I did curve it up a little bit. I just pressed it up against the edge of the table, and then I got my peak really small, as small as I could, and then I just made a cone. Okay, so after I made the cone, I went ahead and cut it to where the bottom was even, because it was not even. So I just cut it to where the bottom was even. And when I was making my cone, I went ahead and I was gluing down as I rolled, because I didn't want it to come undone. So that's how I made my cone, my tree shape. So like that. And then I took my scissors. Let's just pretend this is the black one that I was making, or that I am working on. So all I did was I went ahead and I'm gonna hold that down with my spatula here. And then down at the bottom, all I did was cut it, to where it was, of course it was a lot more even than this, but I cut it down to where it was even and it would stand on its own and not wobble. So that's how I made my tree, my cone tree, pencil tree, however you want to call it. And then I started gluing my branches around the tree, and I of course started at the top. So I thought, well, let me show them just in case they still need an idea. And right here, I'm just going to continue with my branch right here. And the reason that these are a bit curly right now is because I went ahead and measured how much I had to cut off, probably 1 inch from the bottom, because I wasn't going to have enough of the branch to go all the way around more than once, or more than 2 branches worth. And then every so often I will take my glue and put a little bit of glue down so it'll hold my branch. And then I'm just going all the way around. So I am going to continue to do that. When I get to the bottom, I will let you see what I'm going to do. The decoration, I think, is going to be about the same. I'm probably going to use more of the snowflakes and the gold balls, just because I wanted to match the other tree. So there we go. Okay, I don't want to burn myself. And then I'm just gonna wrap this one around. Should go all the way to the bottom, and I'll be right back. Okay, I went ahead and finished the tree, and on the back side I had a little bit more that I needed to put some branch on, but I'm gonna leave this as the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the star right here for it to face the front, and then this will be the back. So right here. So I'm going to put some glue right here on the top. And it's a generous amount because I don't want this star coming off. And I'm going to press down a little bit. I have to hold it there, guys, so I think the star is perfect. Thank you, Tammy. There we go. Perfect star size. And then I am going to start gluing this on there, but I'm going to wait a little bit for that to fully. Okay, I think our star is on there. So like I said, this is the back and this is going to be the front. So all I did for, I'm going to try to zoom you in. I'm going to try not to move too much so I know I'm in frame. So all I did was I grabbed a little ball here and grabbed it with my tweezers, put a little bit of hot glue on there, and then just stuck it in there randomly. So I will continue to do that until I've got all the balls I want where I want them. My fingers are just too big to grab these, guys. Oops. To grab these with my fingers. So I will continue to go around the tree, gluing balls on there. Okay, and I will be back in a little bit. Okay guys, I am finished with the gold balls, and just like that, I just think that's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Okay, so I am going to continue with the snowflakes that I have confiscated out of this bottle. So for the snowflakes, of course, I need my little tweezers. I am going to put a little dot of glue, and I don't know if this is going to work because with the other tree I used the art glitter glue. So I am going to put this down right there, and I don't want it to melt because I know the glue is a little hot for this delicate material that the snowflakes are made out of. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to randomly put a little bit of hot glue, and I think I can pick these up with my hand. Yep, that's what I'm going to do, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am finished with my tree, and I love the way it turned out. It was so easy to do. So I am going to add it to my little table in my dining room, and I will show you what that looks like. Okay guys, there she is. Oh, I just love my trees and how they turned out. Oh, I'm loving my trees. So there they are. Didn't take long at all for either one. And there is my little table complete. Thank you guys for Tammy sent me this, and then this was in a Miss Ida swap that I did with Created to Create. This, where's my fingers? This is the box that I showed you guys I had made with the little sleigh and my two trees. Oh, I love it. I think my little table is complete. I think it needs another one right there that's even smaller than these two, but yeah, I know I don't have time to do those. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot.